Welcome back to How To University. Before we get started, like always, hit that subscribe button, turn on that notification bell, and don't forget to like the video to connect more students to the How To University channel. In today's video, we're going to teach you how to add an emoji to a tweet. So once you're on the desktop or mobile, you're going to go ahead and head over to tweet. And in this section, there's going to be a couple of drop-down things that you can do. You can do a Twitter circle tweet or one that goes out to the general public. So for the purpose of the video, we're going to say, hope you, if I can type, you learn something new in 2023, right? And then we're going to go ahead and look down below here where it has a couple different things. You have the media, the GIF or GIF, you have a poll, and now we're going to click on emoji. Once you're here, you can scroll through thousands upon thousands of emojis, and we're going to type in this learning. As you can see, there's nothing there, so we're going to do book. So we're going to go ahead and select the one that we want, and now it's going to implement that emoji, and we're going to hit tweet. And now you know how to add an emoji to a tweet. If you found this helpful, make sure to leave a like. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.